Good morning, students. Welcome again to your social studies e learning session. I hope all of you have performed well in your half yearly exams. Today, we are starting our next term with a new chapter, the treeless grasslands. In this chapter, we will study about the location, land, climate, vegetation, wildlife, and economic activities of grasslands. Grasslands are large plains of grass. They are found in warm and dry places. Most of the grasslands are in temperate zone. In these areas, rainfall is too little for forests to grow, but just enough to prevent the land from turning into a desert. Hence, there are very few trees and bushes in a grassland. जैसे कि नाम से ही पता चलता है, ग्रासलैंड मीन्स घास के बड़े बड़े मैदान, जहाँ दूर दूर तक बहुत ही थोड़े से पेड़ दिखाई देते हैं. Grasslands are known by different names in different parts of the world. These are prairies in North America, steppes in Russia, downs in Australia, pampas in South America, veld in South Africa, and savannas in Central Africa. But today we will study about grasslands of North America called prairie. Prairie is a French word which means grassland. The prairies are a vast stretch of flat land covered by miles and miles of grass. Prairies ऐसे घास के मैदान हैं जो दूर दूर तक घास से ढके हैं. Now we will discuss about the location of prairies. Prairies are extended from Canada in the north to Mexico in the south and covers the whole of central USA. Earlier, the prairies were the grazing grounds for millions of bison. The prairies used to covered with thick tall grasses. The land has been cleaned for farming and being fertile is one of the biggest farming regions of the world. The Mississippi and the Missouri are the two big rivers that flow through this region and make this region fertile. Now we will discuss about the climate of this region. इस रीजन में सर्दी भी बहुत अधिक होती है और गर्मी भी बहुत अधिक होती है. And the rainfall is moderate, about 52 to 70 centimeter, and occurs mostly in the summer season. Now we will discuss about the vegetation. Vegetation means यहाँ किस तरह के पेड़ पौधे उगते हैं. Wide variety of plants grow here. Trees are rare except along the rivers. Grass grow quickly in spring season and turns to hay in autumn. घास स्प्रिंग सीज़न में जल्दी उगती है और ऑटम सीज़न में ब्राउन कलर की हो जाती है. Our next point is wildlife. The animals have adapted to the semi-arid climate and can survive hot summers as freezing cold winters. यहाँ वही जानवर जिंदा रह सकते हैं जो अधिक गर्मी और अधिक सर्दी को बर्दाश्त कर सकते हैं. And semi-arid climate means dry climate. Some common animals are bison, coyote, prairie dog and prairie chicken. Our next point is economic activities. Prairies में मुख्यतः खेती की जाती है. Corn is cultivated in the eastern parts and wheat in the central part. Wheat production is very high here. The soil of this region is fertile and rich in humus. The prairies produce enough wheat for the whole country as well as for export. That's why prairies are called the wheat basket of the world. Cattle is reared in the western part of the prairies. Other crops grown here are barley, rye, oats, mustard, peas and beans. Many meat packaging factories, dairy farms, and flour mills are also located here. Our last point is life of people in the prairies. कई साल पहले प्रेयरीज बाइसन्स के लिए चरागाहें थी. Then European settlers converted the grasslands into farmlands. Average size of farms here is over thousands of hectares. Farmers live on the farms along with their families in homesteads. Homestead means a house built on a farm with building around it. किसानों द्वारा अपने परिवारों के साथ रहने के लिए अपने खेतों पर ही जो बड़े बड़ी बिल्डिंग्स बनाई जाती हैं उन्हें होमस्टेड्स कहते हैं. Some workers or helpers live in homesteads also. Machines are used to do all farm work like plowing, हल जोतने के लिए, sowing, बीज बोने के लिए, हार्वेस्टिंग, फसल काटने के लिए, थ्रेशिंग एंड विनोइंग, अनाज के छिलके अलग करने के लिए, एंड स्टोरेज ऑफ फूड ग्रेन्स, और अनाज को स्टोर करने के लिए. सभी कामों के लिए मशीन्स का प्रयोग किया जाता है. फूड ग्रेन्स आर स्टोर्ड इन सिलोज विच आर टॉल सिलेंड्रिकल बिल्डिंग्स स्पेशली मेड फॉर स्टोरिंग फूड ग्रेन्स. फूड ग्रेन्स को स्टोर करने के लिए स्पेशली सिलेंड्रिकल आकार की बिल्डिंग्स बनाई जाती हैं. प्रेयरीज का वेस्टर्न पार्ट जो है वो हिली है और कुछ उबड़ खाबड़ और लेस फर्टाइल है, इसलिए इन एरियाज़ में पशु पाले जाते हैं. दिस लैंड सपोर्ट्स द रेजिंग ऑफ कैटल ऑन लार्ज ओपन एरियाज कॉल्ड ranches. Cattle is mainly reared for milk and meat. पशुओं को मोस्टली दूध और मांस के लिए ही पाला जाता है. There are many dairy farms in this area. They too use modern facilities for processing milk in the dairy farms. Most dairy farms are located near cities. Machines have almost replaced manual labor in the dairy farms as well. प्रेरीज में मशीनों ने अपनी एक ख़ास जगह बना ली है एंड दे हैव रिप्लेस्ड मैनुअल लेबर हेयर. ओके स्टूडेंट्स, दैट्स ऑल फॉर टुडे. डू क्वेश्चन आंसर एंड बुक वर्क नीटली. रीड योर चैप्टर अगेन केयरफुली. वी विल मीट अगेन नेक्स्ट वीक. Till then, take care and keep smiling, keep learning.